So we have this valve and this valve are stuck in down position. They were higher up. We hammered them down, but we can't get them back up again. We have opened up took out the spark plugs, put mystery oil in it, filled up the cylinder and to penetrate upwards, and they have a vice grip on here, and it's not spinning, it's not turning that at all. Some of the other things we tried to do was we tried to heat up the core with a torch for about 10 minutes. Got really hot, still stuck. We took the seat off, or the, what is it called, the guide or whatever, around the springs to get to it. Tried to grab around this collar, wiggled it, tried to apply pressure upwards, like pulling on it. So, kind of stuck. Anybody have any idea what to do? Please then write it in the description below.